Service mode can activate for scheduled maintenance tasks, for example, during tire rotations to ensure even wear, or software updates that require the vehicle to enter a safe diagnostic state. Another common trigger is diagnostic codes from the vehicle's systems. These are error codes that indicate potential issues, such as sensor malfunctions or system faults, prompting service mode to protect the vehicle. Service mode can also be manually activated by Tesla technicians during service appointments. They use specialized diagnostic tools to enter this mode for repairs or inspections. In rare cases, service mode might activate accidentally through third-party apps or unauthorized access. However, Tesla's security improvements have significantly reduced these occurrences. The most common way to exit service mode on newer Model Ys involves ensuring the vehicle is in park and powered off. Then, either press the brake pedal or use the touchscreen to confirm if prompted. Finally, restart the vehicle normally using the key fob or start button. The touchscreen may display an exit service mode option that requires authentication with your Tesla account or key card. If the standard digital exit doesn't work, try a manual override. Hold the brake pedal while turning the vehicle on and off 3 times in quick succession. This can reset the mode, but a diagnostic scan might be needed afterward to ensure no underlying issues persist. Use this method if you are having consistent problems. Typically, exiting service mode only requires the vehicle's key fob or mobile app access. No physical tools are needed. After exiting, verify all systems are functioning correctly via the car's status screen. Tesla advises against driving immediately if the mode was entered due to a fault. Tesla is trending toward automating service mode exits. AI-driven diagnostics predict and resolve minor issues that trigger service mode, reducing manual interventions by 40% since 2024. Future integration with the Tesla mobile app may allow remote exits via smartphone, potentially eliminating the need for in-person service by 2027. Tesla is working towards reducing downtime through over-the-air fixes. A common scenario involves a Model Y entering service mode after a software update due to a false battery alert. Exiting typically involves a simple restart. In service center scenarios, technicians exit service mode via diagnostic tools during maintenance like brake pad replacement. However, a manual restart might be needed after driving home if the mode lingers. Fleet management utilizes service mode for remote diagnostics on rented Model Ys, with exits handled via the Tesla Fleet app, reducing downtime significantly. Experts in the automotive industry have strong opinions about Tesla's service mode on the Model Y. They praise service mode for its diagnostic depth, but emphasize the need for a simpler exit process. Tesla engineers highlight its safety features that prevent unsafe driving during maintenance. Statistics from Tesla owner surveys show that 15% of Model Y owners have encountered service mode, with 85% resolving it through a simple restart. User data indicates average exit time is under 5 minutes, decreasing due to software improvements. If problems persist after attempting to exit service mode, contact Tesla support for assistance.